Here. In this video, we'll be basically discussing a cryptocurrency that is found on a crypto paper that was released by the World Economic Forum in June of 2021. The cryptocurrency is known as XRP, right? Or Ripple XRP. Now, when we speak of Ripple, right, its full representation is Ripple Net. Now, when we speak of Ripple Net, we are fundamentally speaking of a private software company, right, that specializes in the development of software products that are focused on financial institutions, for example, banks or exchanges. Now, when we speak of XRP, we are fundamentally speaking of the actual cryptocurrency or the actual token, right, that operates on a ledger known as the XRP ledger. Now, Ripple plans to unlock 27 trillion US dollars in Nastro accounts worldwide with a patent technology known as ODL, right, which stands for on demand liquidity. Now, ODL, on demand liquidity, leverages a digital asset, right? In this case, XRP. Now, ODL leverages XRP, right, to facilitate cheaper, faster, and more secure international cross-border payments, right? Now, when we speak of liquidity, we are fundamentally speaking of the ability to exchange something, sell it or buy it, right, in such a way that it doesn't drastically change the market price of the product or of the transaction. Now, XRP is one of two cryptocurrencies that are recognized by the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, and the World Bank, right? Yes, XRP is also part of the standard body of ISO 20022 regulations. It is fundamentally a neutral bridge that acts as a liquidity tool, right, for bulk and treasury payments. Nastro account is a pre-funded account that resides in financial institutions all over the world, right, that want to transfer funds between each other. Now, for example, if you have a bank, right, in the United States of America, right, and then you have an individual in this bank that wants to send money to a remittance platform in South Africa, for instance, right? Now, each and every institution has this account that has pre-funded amount of money, right, to create an effect of fast customer service, right, to the client, right, by having money beforehand in their account, right? Yes. Now, the UN, the United Nations, and a company called Exchange are to launch a carbon credit system, right, on the XRP ledger. This is in line with the 2030 agenda for sustainable development goals, right? And another interesting that the Ripple network is doing is that it has invested about 100 million US dollars, right, into projects that are tied with the carbon credit system and the carbon markets, right? I don't think there's any other major thing that I can talk about in this video. I thank you for the opportunity. I'll see you in the next.